Hi guys, Brian here, Big B Rebooted. Ready to go on another fishing adventure? I know I am. Hey, this is an impromptu fishing trip. I'm not actually supposed to be out because I had a procedure done today, but you know what? It's a beautiful day here in central Pennsylvania. I'm getting out and going fishing. Hopefully we can get into something today. I don't know, man, you know. I'm gonna be trying a new place. It's gonna take about a half mile to walk to it. But it's all good, man, it's all good. So, hey guys, hopefully I get a video for you and you enjoy it. Stick around. Well guys, my day has started off something else. I had to make 3 trips back to the house for stuff that I forgot. Batteries, my gloves, my license. I get here, I walk about a quarter mile and realize, you know, I'm gonna film my entry video, and as I'm walking I try to record and realize that I don't have an SD card in my GoPro. So hopefully the one I'm using works okay, because if not, this is just a scouting trip anyway. I'm kind of hoping that I can get into some bass, get into some fish. Trout would be cool, anything really. But I have never fished this up here, not once. So we're gonna see what I can get into here. This ought to be good. Now in the summertime, this part of the river actually, I just spooked out some suckers that were kind of hanging out here. But this part of the river actually dries up. And there's hardly any water in it. It looks like what I'm stepping on right now. This stretch right here looks really good. Now I still have my trout magnet set up. See if I can get into anything with it. I'm thinking about switching over right now to either a spinner or try Helgramite. Why not, right? See if I can get over there. It's close, but it's not where I want. You can tell I'm rusty, man. There's one. Oh! I just missed one, guys. Isn't that a kick in the butt? Did not set the hook. I wasn't expecting that. Guess I better get on my game a little bit, huh? I'm a little shocked that there's I shouldn't say that there's fish in here. I know there's fish in here. This water's been high. This was like flooded. And you can see, if you look up in the trees there, you can see where the water level was. Good bit over my head. There's one. Hello. Big old rock bass. I'll take you, buddy. Looky there. Big old rock bass. See you later, bud. Wish I could have got off some of that weight off of this thing. It's just a little too heavy. Just a little bit. That was kind of a dingle dork cast, but it is what it is. There's a nest. I won't step in it. Oh, I just missed one. There's one. All right. Come on, buddy. Oh, you're lively, aren't you? Not a bad bass. Pretty little fish. See you later, buddy. Don't worry, buddy. I'm going through. I'm not stopping. There's one. Holy cow, and it has one fall on it. Look at the size of this one. Come on, dude. There we go. That is a nice bass. Nice bass. See you later, buddy. Boy, I hope my camera's working. There's another one. He's a smaller one. Come here, buddy. There are some giants in here. I have seen some giants. Yeah, there you go, guys. He's about an 8, 7 or 8er. Yep. And I'm using Helgramite. Go figure that out. Just kind of slowly bebopping it along the bottom. There's a big one. That's a nice one. Holy moly. Come here, buddy. Holy cow, look at him. See you later, pal. Wow. I didn't think I was going to have this kind of success with the Neko Helgramite already, but I guess so. Oh my goodness. See you later, pal. Wow. Man, do I hope my camera's working. I'm going to be so disappointed if it's not working. Whew. Well, I've lost 2 jig heads, 2 Neko Helgramites. And about, you know, $6 a piece or whatever they are. That's kind of costly, man. That is costly. No. There's one. Had to make sure you were recording. Another Rocky. Come here, buddy. Come on, dude. Not a bad sized guy. There you go. See you later, bud. Well, the cool thing is I didn't get skunked. I did not get skunked. I actually caught some decent bass in here, which to me is just kind of shocking, really. because like I said on the way up here, this part of the river actually dries up to where there's barely any water flowing through it at all. And to see, I mean, what's crazy is I just come down here and I saw a bunch of really nice sized bass, and I caught a couple decent bass. Can't complain about that. So it's still recording. It is. I'm not sure how far up I am. There's one. Nice. Okay guys, there we go. He's a little guy, but I'll take him. See you later, buddy. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up today's adventure. Man, I got into some decent bass today. A lot of walking, pretty tired, but all in all, a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you like the videos I post, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time guys, keep on fishing.